Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Elsie Godwin, and on this episode I'm going for an event called Open House. Okay, so just join me, and this is the point where I beg you and I plead with you to please subscribe to my YouTube channel. It means a lot to me. I am trying to hit the 1,000 subscribers mark, and that is my goal for now. So kindly please help me. Click the subscription button and click on the notification button as well, so you get notified each time there is a new content. Thank you. So this is a part of the popular Lagos Island, also known as Isale Eko, the central local government area in Lagos State, Nigeria. The open house event is happening on a street called Joseph Haddon. Open House Lagos is a not-for-profit organization that showcases outstanding architecture and good design in Lagos for all to experience, and it is completely free. The February edition was at the Makanjuola family house. Now you can't even try to disrespect this family house because it is probably older than your age and mine put together. The Makanjuola family house will be 72 this year. The structure was completed on the 7th of October in the year 1950. Chief Tijani Adisa Makanjuola's children and grandchildren decided it's necessary to renovate and extend their family home in 2019, and they contracted the services of PatrickWaheed Design Consultancy. The project, named RMKJ Joseph Haddon, started in October 2019 and was completed on the 28th of December 2020, no thanks to coronavirus, of course. The idea was to keep the sense of family history attached to the building while making it look better. You have seen a glimpse of the new beauty, but before you dive in, here is what it used to be before the renovation, and immediately after that, I'll be showing you what it looks like right now. had a quick chat with a co-director of PatrickWaheed Consultancy, Adeyemo Shokumbi. He talked about the challenges of taking up such projects in a confined space and working to maintain the family history in this 72-year-old building.
Obviously, the process of how we put all this together was quite challenging. We worked in a very confined space. We had long beams that were not very easy to locate. We had to underpin the building in order to help ascertain or help to actually stop the cracks and the movement of low-beam walls. So the new part, we use a conventional methodology, which is, sandcrete, concrete frame, and what have you. For the roof, in order to achieve long spans, we used a steel frame, which gave us the opportunity to introduce these loft spaces. I think, all in all, the challenge that we faced here was more to do with, the location of the building, which was quite challenging. I mean, we faced a lot of challenges with getting materials, building materials to site. We had a lot of disruptions from the Omoniles in the neighborhood, but with all that, we still managed to pull through. And I feel like this was an opportunity to show other professionals that this is very achievable. It's not about just getting rid of these old buildings and knocking them down, but it's also about, trying to see how we can conserve history and see how our city is not rid of all these buildings that were built in the 50s or in the early part of the 19th century.
Driving through Lagos Island reminded me of my visit to Zanzibar's small-sized streets and holding a lot of history in their buildings. I wonder if Lagos Island could be some sort of Zanzibar.
Everybody wants everything new these days, but I believe that there's a lot of sensibility in what these old buildings have to share. Personally, having done this, I think that people should now begin to consider, salvaging these old buildings. And we all know what happened to Ilojoba, where a building of quite major history was brought down. And I think it is more about the individuals, just like my client, having this sense of wanting to, maintain, retain his father's building. I believe that lots of families might begin to look at what we've done here as a beacon for what they can also do.
Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed this content, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. Do not forget that I need you to achieve my goal on this channel. Share this link with friends and family, like the video, and please, like I said, I do need you to achieve my goal, so please do subscribe. Till another video, do have a fabulous day.